Nothing happened. Hey, nerds. No, that's condescending. Don't be an asshole. Okay. Hello. Okay. I don't know how to do this. Okay. Spittle directly on the lens. Okay, I'm looking at myself a lot. Okay. Hey. Hey, friends. What I'm not going to do is pretend like buying it last year, buying the big expensive box, and then not filming. I looked at it, and then I put everything back. I went, oh, I have to film this. Even though it was like March, because it's good and opened. And I just abandoned it because I was just horrified that I didn't make the video. So, we're gonna liberate last year's, not to be confused with this year's, which is also coming, but it is the smaller one because I am broke as fuck. So, Beautylish has told all of us that it is not going, it'll basically be here this year when it gets there. It's supposed to ship off on the 17th, and currently it is now the 26th. They sent an email saying you'll get it when you get it. You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm not having a problem with that because the world is on fire still. Embers, flaming embers. Point is, we're gonna look in here. Paper looked like this. Silk, satin, excuse me, pillowcase, which is a move, I feel. Not one I would have made, but it's definitely a move. We've got vegan vitamins. A move, you know? I'm not annoyed because I can use it, but I am a little bit annoyed by the fact that I got two of almost the same exact product in last year's box. That was kind of weird. We'll get there. This I thought was a hand cream, and I opened it and I was like, this smells good. And then I rubbed it into my hands and I was like, why are my hands disgusting? They feel really gross. This is a moisture shine cream for your hair. Here's that bad boy right there. It smells really, really, really strong. It's so strong. Like you put a bunch of old lady perfume on your body. But that's okay. Maybe I want to go play bingo at some point with shiny, shiny locks. And that will be the day. This is, and I actually like this. I actually did use this one. I did lie a little bit. This is literally the hand cream that turned out to be a hair product in this. And then I was just like, this is karmically exactly what it's supposed to happen. This though, I have used and I actually do like it. Holofrog? Sure, why not? It's brightening powder wash. It's a soap that is powder. Which is fine. Face soap, powder. Yeah, cool. Brightening, so fun. Here's the other, this is that, and this little pouch is everything in this box that was an exorbitant amount of money, but we're okay with it. So we've got the frog thing, very cute box. I got Good Molecules powder pineapple exfoliating scrub. This is the same thing. This is the same thing. It's in a glass bottle, so I guess it's bougier. This guy. And when I got this, I was like, well, maybe this one has like a fragrance. Why would a powdered face soap have a fragrance, you ask? It says pineapple on it. It would be weird to do that because it's powder. But eventually moisture is going to enter it, and maybe that will, I don't know, okay? I'm just looking for why they put two of these in my box. And that one was just not even in the bundle. That was just thrown in on the top, so meh. And then what I did was try to check this for a smell, and there's this little seal on the top. This little seal here, and when I opened it like that, it exploded into my eyes directly. And it did not look like a pineapple smell. When that happened, I was in a room with my child and my mother, grown woman who gave birth to me. How dare you? They both told me it was a shame you weren't filming when that happened. That would have been really funny. Which, I mean, on the one hand, thanks. And on the other hand, I know So I lost out twice. I have two dry soap face soaps. I have one face and two soaps. And then I have the knowledge that I could have been blinded. Comically blinded for you. And I can't now. Next, we have a brush. It's a pretty brush. It's nice and fluffy. It's a Sonia G brush. A little blender. Next thing we have is this, and I don't know what color it is. Is this? I don't know what it is. I think it's a lipstick. Pretty. Give it me. Oh, it's not supposed to come out. Peasant. You're not supposed to take out the red bit. Pretty box. Power move. All right, this is felt. I don't know. You tell me. Oh no. How does it open? No, it's a bag. It's a bag. It is a bag, and it is a lipstick. Isa color. Ooh, that's pretty. I mean, that is so orange. In the viewfinder, hold up, wait a minute, wait for it. Hello. In the viewfinder, ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, it's pretty. In the viewfinder, this looks like a pinky coral color. This is electric orange. Which I'm actually more happy about. It's so pretty. Oh, guys. Siren song of expensive lipstick, I assume. There are only 2 more items here, but they're good items. They're big items. They're big ticket items, I guess. Hourglass. Hourglass. That's the hourglass. This guy, I dig. Look at it. Oh, you can't see anything. Check it out. Let me see if I can get any of the ambient powders to actually show up, because they are not the most pigmented things in the world. These are expensive. Here's what we need to talk about with this. Okay, and I'm sure I'm not the only person. Do you see that? It looks like sidewalk chalk. Am I right? On my dry ass hand. That is what people pay a ton of money for, is that glowy thing. Isn't that wild? You just want to feel real broke and kind of bougie, and you don't like sparkle, you can get that. And those are blushes, and I think the one is a bronzer. This guy. Oh, well, see, that's not really, it's not a me bronzer, but maybe like an eyeshadow. I don't know, man. Last thing. What have we been looking for in this box over and over and over again this entire time that I've gotten these boxes? And then I thought I had gotten it once, and then it turned out it was like a blush palette that was just like unusable and like dumb. Now, I think it's important to note this little guy here. I could have bought so many of just these if I wanted them, without getting this box, with the money that I've spent on these boxes. What we're not gonna do is think about that. And also, know that this was the thing that I bought these boxes for, and then I bought another one that's cheaper, so I'm not getting this. I do think that this year's is the last one I'm gonna do, unless I start, you know, really, I just won't do it again. Okay, so these are the colors, which also is very funny. They're beautiful. Look at them, look at them, look at them. Stunning. So pretty. Okay, let me just grab this one. Oh, pretty. How about this guy? Oh, pretty. Right? How about a matte? Light matte. Oh, they feel kind of nice. Feels a little more satiny maybe than matte-y. Stupid. Oh, my nails are just so stained with paint and ink. But there you go. Look at that. There you go, governor. So stupid. Okay, that was the whole box. That was the box that I got. That was that box that I got. Let me know what you thought. I'll probably make more stuff at some point, you know? This video, I can't imagine it's very long, you know? Let's just do an outro. What do you think? So that was the box. You know, I've made better life decisions, but we're okay with it. We're all right. Only one of us eats, so I'll be seeing you very soon. Very soon. Like soon. So I know I say that like every time, but no, like I mean it. Like you can go ahead and hold your breath because it actually, it's okay. We'll be back. We're back on the internet now. It's okay. It's gonna be okay. They still like us. It's okay. Shh, 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 shh. Okay, I'm fucking stopping. Okay. Bye, everyone. Should I put them down here and then just dip out and then dip back in? Robin, you got this. Don't freak out, okay? Very cool. Hopefully I look cute. Do I look cute? Oh, thank you. Thank you, Robin. Appreciate that. Thank you, because I don't fucking understand what is happening. Oh, my desk is messy. Okay. Here. Fuck yeah! Ghosty, spooky, fun times. You can do this, Robin. You can do this. You can do this. You can do this. You can do this. You've only been filming for 2.5 minutes and you're already fucking insane. Okay. Okay. Sir, I need you to bite this. Thanks. Thumbnail. Hi, Red. Hi. Oh my goodness, hi. Hello, do you want to come and say hi to people? Do you want to? Do you want to? Do you guys want to see Red? Hold on. It's going to be a whole ass thing. I don't know if I can get her. Lady, why are you? Okay. Well, fine, but like you could have been famous. I just want you to know that. Sorry, my chicken doesn't like me. She said she had shit to do. I'm so embarrassed. Red embarrassed me. Oh, don't you come back. You know what? No one asked you either.